Hi, I'm Ian. I'm Lucas Petitilla. And I'm Miss Guadalupe.
I'm Marceline Arterianos.
I'm Mr. Leronis. I'm Janet Pagati Joseph. I'm Lashley Latrada. I'm Gerald Villamota. Hi everyone, welcome to our meeting documentary. Today, our class will explore three important topics: body mass index, stress management, and coping strategies. We are divided into three teams, and each group will explain and demonstrate their assigned task. Let's begin. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It is a number that shows whether a person's weight is healthy for their height. BMI helps us understand if we are underweight, normal, overweight, or obese.
Stress scenario is exam pressure. Exam pressure is the stress a student feels when an important test is coming. You start worrying about the results, studying a lot, and feeling afraid of failing. Sometimes you feel nervous, your mind gets tired, and you find it hard to focus. This pressure can affect your mood, your sleep, and even your confidence. But with good preparation, rest, and support from others, exam pressure can be managed.
Signs of stress. Physical signs: pulse, fast heartbeat, sweating, headache, tiredness. Emotional signs: worry, irritability, loss of focus, feeling overwhelmed.
Here are three healthy ways to manage stress. 1. Deep breathing. Helps slow down the mind and relax the body. 2. Time blocking. Organizing schedules to avoid cramming. 3. Good sleep. At least 7 to 9 hours to keep the brain sharp.
MC, Coping Strategy Creators. Part 1, Positive versus Negative Coping. Positive productive coping helps solve problems in a healthy way. Negative or maladaptive coping avoids the problem and can make stress worse. Part 2, Examples. Positive coping, talking to someone, exercising, journaling, praying, breathing exercises. And negative coping, skipping school, overeating, ignoring the problem, shouting, and substance use. And part 3 is role play.
Hey, can I talk to you?
I'm really stressed with all the schoolwork.
Sure, what's wrong?
There's too many assignments and I feel like I cannot finish everything.
I understand. It's a lot, but you can do it. Try doing things one at a time. I can help you later if you want.
Really? Thank you. I feel better now.
Anytime, you're not alone.